Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. Frosty the Snowman. It's a popular winter celebration song written by Walter Jack Rawlings and Steve Nilsson. I'll sing it and I'll tell you more about it, go through the strumming patterns and so on. Frosty the Snowman was a jolly happy soul, with a corncob pie and a button nose and eyes made out of coal. Frosty the Snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. There must have been some magic in the old felt hat they found, for when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Oh, Frosty the Snowman was as live as he could be, and the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me. There must have been some magic in that old felt hat they found, for when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Oh, Frosty the Snowman was as live as he could be, and the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me, just the same as you and me. Frosty the Snowman was first recorded by Gene Autry and the Cass County Boys, later on by Jimmy Durante, Bing Crosby and many others. It was introduced at Christmas in 1950. It told the tale of an inanimate snowman that came to life and spread good cheer. It became an international hit and is now a permanent part of many people's Christmas and winter holiday celebrations. There is a second verse and a chorus, which Bing Crosby does. There isn't room to put that on this copy, so I'll put it at the end in the comments. Frosty the Snowman is in the key of C, so it starts off with the chord of C. Frosty, the two bars, the bar of F, Frosty, bar of C, bar of F to C, bar of B, C, and a D minor, G7. Now the next verse is virtually the same, except for the very ending. Frosty, F, S, E, F. Now a faster one, A minor, D minor, G7, C. And the C7 gets us to the middle section, starts with an F chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, magic. There's been E minor, magic. In that old F railed G7 they found, and G, when they placed it on his head, he A minor, D7, G, changed to G7. Oh, now you don't have to change the G to G7, you go straight to G7, but I think it makes a nice contrast if you do it. The last verse is the same as the first one, except there's an A7 instead of an A minor. Well, it's a fun song again, and it's a celebratory song for winter, Christmas or winter. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll have a go at it. It's a nice song to play as a group. Anyway, whatever you do, and however you do it, as always, have fun.